Hey guys, we're going to do an unboxing of the XFX Radeon 5600 XT RAW 2 graphics card. This just came out in January of 2020 and we picked this one up at our local Best Buy, and let's open this up. Besides the big Best Buy sticker here on the back, here's some features. This is GDDR6. It is a 6 gigabyte version, and this has PCIe 4.0. So if you have a PCIe 3.0 slot on your motherboard, the graphics card will work. It will just slow it down to PCIe 3, but in the current state of affairs, we are not going to be able to use PCIe 4 just due to the fact that you need a very, very high-end motherboard and processor just to get up to that extra bandwidth that you would be getting off of that. So let's open this guy up. Oh, open the other side. There we go. So inside the box here, your typical and this is the RAW 2 version. There is a thick version as well that XFX makes. Put that box on the ground. The thick version, from what I could research, was just a little bit higher clock speed. Can't really see anything different. Supposedly this has some colored LEDs on it. I love the XFX that they put their cool decal on the box. Let's open this guy up. Piece of cardboard. All right, inside here you've got a warranty card. Stop. Install the drivers. I already have the drivers on the computer because I'm using the AMD Red all the way here. Here's your, oh, it's a thick graphics card. Put this guy to the side here. What else do we have in here? We've got a 8-pin, 2.6 to 8-pin connector. That's kind of normal. There's nothing else here on the box. So we're going to set that to the side. And get this guy out. Put this warranty information also to the side because I don't need that yet. We're going to test this card out. I'm coming from an R7 370, and this card goes for $289 right now. So let me pull this out and I get right. Okay, this card is monstrous. I mean, this is the biggest graphics card I've ever used. You do have a cover over here off your PCIe header. It's got some protective plastic on it. Looks like we got some protective, yep, it's plastic under here. Let's take those guys off. And this is the most I've ever spent on my graphics card as well. I usually get the previous generation graphics card. I usually spend around $200 or less, but this guy, with building a new Ryzen computer, wanted something that was a lot faster. So this is a current gen card. It's the 50 series, which is their 50th anniversary, I think is what they have it as. AMD's 50th anniversary. So, all right, on the back side here we have our 8-pin, and this is supposed to be, yes it is, where can you see it? This dual BIOS, meaning it's got 2 flashed BIOS. One is your normal, one is your pro or gamer one. That's just the highlights that I've read. Oh, this does come off. Okay, there's a protective piece of plastic back here. Put that to the side as well. So this is aluminum, metal. It's not plastic. Let's take this piece of plastic off here, guys. Where can I get a little snag of it? That plastic is really on there. All right, come on. There we go. There we go. Nice. She looks good. So on the side here we have, should be 3 display ports. So that's a HDMI port. 3 display ports, 1 HDMI port right there. Oh, missed another piece of plastic. All right, you guys don't want to see me pull all the plastic off here, but this is a good looking card. So again, this is a 6 gigabyte card, PCI 4.0, 7 nanometers. So this is the newest die that they put on them. So 3 display ports and 1 HDMI 2.0. So HDMI 2.0B, if this is 2.0B, we'll be able to push out 4K over HDMI. And I don't know what frequency that would be, but these all will do 4K at all of them will do 4K, and this should be able to do 4K as well. And you should be go up to 240 hertz on most of these as well. But I don't have all those other specs right here. But this is just going to be doing a quick unboxing. We're going to throw this in our rig. But really excited that I actually got a current generation card for once in my life. As far as the comparisons between, this is the Raw 2 card, not the thick. The thick 2 card is their other build that XFX has. It looks like a completely rectangular. This has a really cool design to it. And I believe the thick 2 has a little bit faster processor than this, but that was the unboxing of the XFX Radeon 5600 XT Raw 2. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the description. Leave comments in the description below. And until the next time, thanks for watching. Quick side by side, look how much bigger that one is. This is the 5600 XT. That's a R7 370. Jeez, look how much bigger that is. All right, I think I'm gonna not be able to use my other PCI PCI Express 1.0 or by 1 slot. I mean, I don't know. That's just the same height of the bracket, and this is just a little bit more. Side by side comparison. Just to wrap this video up, guys. I did check XFX's website. The lifetime warranty has been reduced down to only 3 years now. That's after you register it online. So highly advise you guys to register your card so you get that warranty. Additionally, the BIOS update was very easy. You go to XFX's website, you download the AMD Flash tool, and inside here, since there's 2 different flash setting, the switch has 2 different positions on it, one for quiet mode, one for performance mode. Flip the switch to whatever mode you want to reflash. You load the image which you download from XFX's website for the specific card. Since this is the Radeon 5600 XT Raw 2, not the thick 2, you'll have to make sure that you select Raw 2. You'll download it, you'll load your image right in there, and then you'll hit program. After it programs, it will ask you to reboot the system, and you're up and running. Then you can flip the switch. After you've rebooted, you can flip the switch to either your performance or your quiet setting on the from the BIOS switch, and then you can reload the next image that you previously did not load. Then you have to reboot the system again, and so forth. It's very easy. It's the first time I've ever updated the BIOS on any card that I've owned. But I want to throw that in there really quick. The card's running phenomenal. I was thinking about taking it back and trying out the 5700 XT. However, with my current system, this is just great for me. I'm really loving the performance out of it. Temps are really good. And please leave me some comments if you want me to do some other bench testing. We've done some in a previous video that I did, and I'll link that somewhere in the description or with a card somewhere up here on the screen. But let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you guys watching this video to the end. Please like, comment, subscribe, and until the next video, thanks for watching.